Hi friends, method 1. Open settings app, tap on this icon, then go down, then select additional settings, then go down, then select backup and reset, then select erase all data. So here you can see reset network settings. This will reset Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile network settings. Tap on that, then tap on reset network settings. Now it's resetting. If this is not fixing your problem, you can try reset system settings only. Tap on that, then tap on reset system settings only, then again tap on reset system settings only. So this is a method 1. So let me go to method 2. Method 2. Open settings app, then select SIM card and mobile data, then select SIM 1 or SIM 2. Let me select SIM 1, then select access point name. Here you can see 2 dots on top right corner. Tap on that, then tap on reset access points, then select reset access points, tap here. Now it's restoring. Okay, done. So this will delete existing APN and recreate a new working APN. So this is a method 2. Method 3. Open settings app, tap on this icon, then select SIM card and mobile data, tap here, then make sure that mobile data is enabled, then select SIM 1 or SIM 2. Let me select SIM 1. Then we need to disable the SIM, then enable it back. After that we need to make sure that data roaming option has enabled. So here we can see data roaming. So this is a data roaming option. Make sure that this is enabled. Then preferred network type, this should be auto, or we can manually select 4G, 3G, 2G or 5G. Then carrier, this should be auto select. We can also manually select the carrier. That also we can try. So this is a method 3. Method 4. We need to restart the mobile phone. Switch off the mobile phone, then start it again. Then check the network. That is a method 4. Method 5. Eject and reinsert the SIM. Eject and reinsert the SIM, then check the network. So that is a method 5. Method 6. Reboot the phone into safe mode, then uninstall newly installed applications, then check the network issue. So that is a method 5. Please try it.